Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a clean with me after dark where I'll be sharing my nighttime cleaning routine after the kids went to bed. So get ready to clean with me and follow my to-do list for my evening cleaning routine. I filmed this video the day before I left for my girls' trip to London with Tiffany Beeston and Micah Stauffer, and we stayed with the Saucony Jolies, and I already miss everyone so much. My heart is so full leaving that trip. But those London vlogs will be coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed and have your bell notifications turned on so you don't miss when they're posted. But now that I'm home, I'm ready to dive back into spring cleaning, so please let me know if you'd rather see a bedroom deep clean or a car clean out video. Or if you'd like to see something else, let me know that in the comments as well. But before I left for the London trip, I wanted to leave the house cleaned and decluttered for my husband Adam and the kids. So first thing on my after dark cleaning list, I started off by decluttering my home. And the second thing, I was doing some loads of laundry while I worked. The third thing on my after dark cleaning list was cleaning up my foyer entry area, putting all of the coats and shoes away. And fourth to-do item, cleaning up any toys and crayons that the kids missed during the pickup time before they went to bed. And if you like the shirt that I'm wearing, make sure you check out my Etsy shop because this is one of the brand new items I have out for spring. I will have the link in my description box below. Next on my list in the kitchen, I decluttered the countertops, wiped down the table, and wiped down the countertops too, and then I had to tackle our dumping zone. It's on my list to get some pretty bins or baskets for this space because it always gets so cluttered every single day. And you guys suggested that, so thank you so much for those suggestions. But make sure you're following me on my socials. I'm at Bits of Brie, and make sure you subscribe to my weekly newsletter on my blog. You can find that at bitsofbrieblog.com. That way you always know what's going on with our family first. Be in the know. But next on my after dark cleaning routine, I did a quick cleanup of the tables in our family room. Then I did a clean and dust of the surfaces in the kids' room. Next, I'm going to be cleaning the windows in here. And at this point, it was time to change out the laundry I had started at the beginning of this after dark cleaning routine. Then I clean the windows and stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. And I was just sort of taking my time and relaxing during this nighttime cleaning routine. I was listening to the audiobook Becoming by Michelle Obama. She's so inspirational. But sometimes I do like to pour a glass of wine and listen to instrumental Disney music. It just kind of makes me really chill and feel so happy before bedtime when I clean at night. Moving on to cleaning the floors, this is next on my evening cleaning routine checklist. So I'm using my new Dyson vacuum. I'm obsessed with this vacuum, and I'm going to do all the floors. And since I wanted to leave the house nice and clean for my family, I decided to vacuum the couch because this vacuum seriously makes me so motivated and inspired to clean. And I love seeing the lines on the couch. It's so satisfying. So I did that quick vacuum of the couch. Next, on my after dark cleaning routine checklist, I'm doing a clean of the powder room downstairs, so cleaning the mirror and the sink and the toilet. And one of the last things on my nighttime cleaning routine to-do list, I am mopping all of the floors. Finally, I'm doing a deep clean of the kitchen sink using surface scrub powder and dish soap to scrub out the sink. I also run the disposal so that it all smells very fresh and lemony. And that's what I love most about this after dark cleaning routine, is that the entire house smells amazing and my family gets to wake up to a nice clean and decluttered space in the morning. So if you like this video, make sure you click the thumbs up. I hope it gives you some cleaning motivation. Please leave me a comment if there's any video you'd like to see me make next. And as always, I appreciate your support and I hope this video inspires you to clean with me, make your home a clean and decluttered space for you and your family. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, loves.